Okay, previously we changed some parts around. So in the assembly, that means we're going to have lots to fix, as indicated here by the warnings and errors of the constraints. So first thing to do is likely let's simplify the assembly and then go from there. So for the assembly here, I want to start by just leaving one set of fasteners. I'm going to leave this set here in the corner to work out with plans for later. Next step is same way here. I want to just leave one of these parts and then we'll work on that later. So let's just delete those. Okay, so that's the first step. Continued next.